Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to use Adobe Sign. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to acrobat.adobe.com and click return. And that'll bring you to a page. And now you're going to want to sign in to your Adobe account, or they offer a free trial. Once you're logged in, you're going to come up to the e-sign button and click that, and it'll bring you to a page. And there are going to be two options you can click that'll bring you to the same page. It's fill and sign or add a signature. So go ahead and click that. And I have a sample document for an invoice already created, so I'm uploading that to Adobe. So it just says sample invoice PDF. And on the left side of the screen here, this is where all of the important things are going to be. The first thing that we want to do is we're going to create a text field for a prompt for a signature. So you click on that button there and then hit text and type in signature, and that will prompt the signature that's going to follow. And in the top left, we're going to click on one of these buttons here. We want to go to e-sign, so click that. And then we can actually make a line for the signature to go on. So that's what we're going to do. And then just click on the circle to draw out the line longer. And then on the left side again, you're going to have a button that is add a signature. And so you can add initials or signatures. I've created a signature here already, but we're going to edit that. And you can have a text version, a signed version, or an image version. Today we're going to use a signed version. So I'm just going to spell out signature and click save. And it'll attach to your arrow there, and you can click and then pull the circle to make it bigger and situate it on the screen. And there you have it. You have a signed invoice using Adobe Sign. Now we're going to add an initial spot. So you're going to text field again and type in initials to prompt the initials below. And again, just like before, we're going to come over here and select the e-sig button and then click a line and create a line underneath and drag it out to make it longer. And then hit the signature button and say add initials. And it has, again, a text version, a drawn version, or an image version. I'm just going to put a big I for initial and save. And again, it'll attach to your arrow there, and you click to drop it, and you can arrange and make it bigger on the screen. And then with these three dots here, you can drag down to download file, and it'll download the PDF onto your computer so you can send it or use it however you need. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.